Hello all and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how the axle connector works, part 1. I am going to add an axle connector to this shape. Let's align the connector. There are two circles that connect between two shapes. This is helpful while creating cars and other vehicles. Go to the settings in the axle connector. There is 3 options, but we will be only checking continuous. This is motor torque. By dragging the slider, I can increase and decrease the power of the motor. This is motor speed. This controls the speed during simulation. I am going to set the speed to 400. Now let's play the simulation. As you can see, the shape is spinning. Right now it's spinning in 400 RPM. Let's go back to the axle connector settings. This is the speed limit slider. I can set the speed limit by dragging the slider. If you set the speed more than the limit, the shape will turn red. If I set the speed to high and limit low, it will only go on the limit. Now let's make the limit and the speed to normal. This is interactions. This is an option where you can activate actions by pressing a key in a simulation. I click W and click Change Speed By. This means the speed will change when I click W. Now let's play the simulation. When I click W, it will start moving. When I keep clicking W, it will start moving faster and faster. Let's go back. Click Interactions. Instead of on press, click while held. This time the shape will only move when I hold W. Let's go back. Click Interactions. Click E. Now click Set Speed to. Change the value. Click R. Now click Set Speed to. Change the value. This one only has on press. Now let's play the simulation. When I click R, it will move in set speed, not more nor less. Click Edit Interactions. Click R. Click Disengage Motor. Play simulation. Now, when I move the shape and click R, it stops. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next video.